Today, let's talk about this outdoor bathing product. Everyone is curious about it.
What do you use for heating?
Heating with a gas tank. It can be bought on the market.
Do you need to wait a long time for hot water?
Set the temperature, turn on the machine, turn on the ignition, and turn on the shower to get hot water.
Does it need to be charged?
It is mainly our display and water pump that needs electricity. There are two convenient charging methods. One is Type-C, and the other is a car charger. If you want to know more, welcome to consult.